Hello, Bradley Bears. Welcome to Mr. Gaines's Social Studies lecture on forces that change the Earth. The purpose of today's lesson is first, it's designed to walk you through some of the major physical processes that change the skin and shape of the Earth. This lesson is also designed to prepare you for class tomorrow. You might have a quiz. The lesson requirements: watch the entire video, create an outline of the content like the ones we've done in class, and be ready for the quiz. So let's go on to our first topic. The first topic, tectonic effect. The tectonic effect talks about the crust or the skin of the Earth. At one point, all of the land on Earth was in one giant form, one giant shape called Pangaea. And because of the nature of the Earth's skin and the volcanic activity deep in the center of the Earth, over time, those plates have spread very slowly, but very surely, to create the present continents we have. We have the African plate, the South American plate, the North American plate, the Eurasian plate, the Antarctic plate, and the Austrian plate. So as these tectonic plates move and spread, they affect how the Earth is shaped and create some of the situations that change that shape. One of the first things that the tectonic movement does, in places where the tectonic plates diverge, meaning spread apart, or where one plate dives under another, pressure in the Earth's mantle is reduced, and some of the hot rock turns to liquid. Any part of the tectonic plate that sinks into the mantle may also melt. Pockets of the molten rock from beneath the Earth's surface. This magma may break through weaknesses in the Earth's crust. Magma, ashes, and gases erupt from a volcano. Once magma reaches Earth's surface, it becomes known as lava. The location of most volcanoes and earthquakes has been shown to be almost identical with the location of plate boundaries. For example, the Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean, a zone of volcanoes and frequent earthquake, coincides with the boundaries of the Pacific tectonic plate. So volcanoes are one of the ways the shape of our Earth has changed. Another way is erosion. Erosion, the process by which rock, sand, and soil are broken down and carried away, is a way that the Earth's skin is changed. Erosion can reduce the mountains and other land features created by volcanoes and earthquakes. By erosion, a river can cut a canyon, like the Grand Canyon, through solid rock. An icy glacier can carve and wear away a region, leaving behind valleys and lakes, such as the Great Lakes. Another way that the skin of our Earth is changed is through what's called glaciation, or the movement of a glacier. Like we talked about in class, glaciers are created from ice. They're created when snow falls to the earth and freezes. It's so cold that the snow freezes. Over long periods of time, glaciers build, and because of gravity, they are pulled downhill and they spread. Anything in a glacier's path will be affected through the process of erosion or water breaking down rock. So, one of the things we talked about in class was how we break things down into an outline. So one of the things I wanted to show you is that in PowerPoint, there is something called an outline view. And as you can see, there's an outline already here created for you. So to create your outline, remember, you have to have a title. That's here, Forces That Change the Earth. Topic 1 will be volcanoes. Topic 2 will be erosion. Topic 3 will be glaciation. And remember, the fourth topic is always a summary. So your last topic will be one thing you've learned, a second thing you've learned, and then a quick summary of how you think you can use that information. So after you've watched this video, open up the PowerPoint that I've also attached in Google Classroom, write out an outline just like the template you have. If you bring that to class with you tomorrow, you can use it on a quiz about forces that change the earth, an easy 100. Okay, Bears, good luck. Create your outline. This shouldn't take you any more than 15-20 minutes to do. Have a good evening. Good luck. I'll see you Friday. Go Bears.